Okay, guys, I'm hoping we're live here. This is Roger. How you doing? Today is the 23rd of October, and we had, excuse me, we had quite a opening range gap here for the ICT 2024 mentorship potential trade. However, as you can see, we did not hit 50%. Today is one of those 30% of the time when it doesn't go at least 50% into that gap in the first 30 minutes. And as you can see, we did tap 25% eventually. Just barely shot through there, and that was all she wrote. That was an insane short if you grabbed it. Here's you can see the sell side, the buy side's up above yet even for London. Oh, here we go. We're up there. Wednesday London buy side. Yeah, not even around. We had a little bit of an end dog here. New day opening gap. There could have been a draw. Midnight open could have been a draw. They weren't. And sometimes you have to recognize that. Now, the kind of like yesterday, or maybe it was like the last couple of days, you get a spike on that first candle, and that's a trap. And I guess I wasn't really looking at that. That is when higher than this other spike, and so we got what, maybe 31, 2%, I don't know, into that gap. But she fell back and bounced around. First presentation for fair value gap that I found here on the 1 minute chart is this tiny little one right here. I don't know, was it relevant? Price went through it just a number of times. Over here, went through it and failed. And here went through it and tried to grab it. I actually didn't have that great of a day, kind of overtraded a little bit, did end up just a little bit in the red. I was a little bit more deeply in the red, and then pulled my act together and made almost held it back. Some of it here even after the close of the Tesla earnings. This fair value gap here, I did use a little bit here, just for some scalps. Again, if we drag this over, you can see how it just really kind of tanked and never became relevant again from that. Didn't even go up and tag it here. Here on this short, you can see where we did not quite grab liquidity. Again, ICT is precision. I won't know exactly what to tell you, other than a lot of times that does happen. And so many times we see this second little bounce there. It's just going down from there. ICT did post on Twitter. He hasn't been live here in a day or two on YouTube. And I think this is his last week he's even going to, maybe up to the 31st, Halloween. Not sure what he'll do. I think I've heard this before from him, but he's going to take off November and December for sure. But he did post on Twitter trade, was as short as I recall, and he made money, or at least in a paper account. Whether he's trading real accounts, no idea. So you take a look at this, bring the rest of this kind of into view. Ugly day unless you were short. I just did not have the cojones to stay short. It took a number of shorts, but just didn't go. I ended up having, I left for the day, not for the day, for a good part of the day in the middle to run some errands. And yeah, should have gone short before it and then come back. Came back here, I think we were running somewhere in here. And I did take some scalps on the way up. And then I played the Tesla earnings for a few points, actually on ES. A little bit of an Adam Mancini trade there. So as far as the mentorship goes, I'm not sure what to tell you, other than to say that the Monday fair value gap might be, again, I don't have it drug over here. It's not as easy to do with toss, but might be something you want to still grab. See if there's any chance we get back up to it here for the rest of the week. That's as per ICT. But keep marking everything. Again, it's a 70% shot, not a 100%. Today was not it. If you recognize the signs, you get short. Patrick Wieland, I think, made good money going short. I don't think he made any trades until up maybe here, maybe this one, or else this one. I'm not sure. I don't remember exactly. But he did make some money. So we can certainly still make money in a short market, or in a down market, I should say, if you're willing to go short. Not everybody is. And again, I'm not suggesting you do anything, let alone something outside your comfort level with real money. But this is just to be entertainment and instructive as to what I'm doing and how I'm trying to make a darn good living here from anywhere in the world. That's the goal with futures trading. So Anyway, if that's some help, give us a thumbs up and tune in tomorrow. Try to do the same thing. Hope you guys have a great one.